Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, February 12th, 2019, and my tie looks black. It's actually blue. I don't know what's up with this stupid camera here. Anyway, let's talk about what's happening here because it seems surreal. It's the truth. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are in full-blown rally mode. Dow Jones Industrial Average is up over 250 points. All the major indices are higher. Now, there's a lot of speculation as to what's driving this, and I think it's pretty straightforward, although there's a big lie being told here, and I want to shed a little light on that because this guy sitting in front of you was watching the futures all night long, as I usually do. I got to get something else to pay attention to, I suppose. But here we go. If you were to turn on the mainstream financial channels or the mainstream news, they're going to tell you that stocks are in this big rally right now because some kind of a tentative deal was reached to keep the government open. This deal, in my opinion, has no chance of being signed by the president. There's $1.4 billion for the wall. Much less than he wanted, what he initially asked for. If he were to sign this, that would end his presidency, in my opinion. And, I mean, that would be it. He won't sign this. And I think there's a bigger thing going on here. Anyway, this is just to cause discord between the people. Look here, don't look here. I personally feel that an emergency decree is going to be instituted, but look, I could be wrong. I'm just telling you my take on it. But he won't sign this, and that's what they're trying to tell you is driving the market, that we reached a tentative deal that has no chance, in my opinion so far, of course I could be wrong, to get signed, and stocks are up 1% across the board. But yesterday, I'm sitting here watching the futures when this was announced. Yeah, futures did get a little bump, about 50 points. Kind of held that for a while. Then all of a sudden, we got another round of news, and that was this, that President Trump, this is a quote, wants to meet with President Xi very soon, in quotes. That was it. Soon as that came out, we had stock futures over 100, about 130 in the blink of an eye. We did open today about 200 points in the green with regard to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So does it make any sense to you that stocks are rallying right now off of a deal that has no chance, in my opinion, of being signed by the president? It doesn't make any sense to me. I just don't believe it. I believe it is more to do with another fake story floated out here yet again. It seems to be getting bought by markets around the world. Because last night, when it was announced that President Trump wants to meet with President Xi very soon, the Asian markets took off. It seems like this is the story that just won't die, no matter how fake it is, no matter how many times they replay it, like a tape recorder or whatever the hell they use to replay things. It just keeps working. So why not continue to use it? In my opinion, that's what's driving the market here. Very little or almost nothing to do with this tentative deal because it's not going to get signed. If it gets signed, like I said, that's it. The president's base is going to evaporate, and that'll be that. I don't know. It's just it's too asinine, isn't it? But that's the truth. That's where we're at right now. We have a fake market, a fake economy. Everything is managed. You know that. There's the illusion of freedom, and that's it. It's just too much. With that said, keep your eye on the fake stories that are going to get floated out. Let's see what the president says regarding this tentative deal. He can't sign it. How many of you believe the president is going to sign this deal to keep the government open with like 1/4 of the money he was asking for the wall? Like I said, he signs it. He's literally signing the end of his presidency, in my opinion. And he can't seem to get anything done on the China front except float out fake story after fake story every single week or multiple per day sometimes, and every single time is proven to be fake. I mean, wow. Unreal. See you later.